Hey, good evening, everyone. Want to do a short little weather diversion for you because we do have some interesting weather coming our way. Nothing really that significant, but a little freezing rain, a little ice is possible as we get towards dawn and the first part of the day tomorrow. The good news is it's quickly going to go away, and it's going to get very mild tomorrow afternoon. So this is kind of a morning rush hour thing, or if you're out like I am, very late at night. So let me rack this thing the way I want to do it for you, and then we'll go over the fine details. And then I got to do Fox 66 News at 10. So let me find my mark here, and we shall press on and give you a little shot of the cathedral there. I want to say hello to as many of you as I can, and thanks for joining the show, including Deborah Y, Lisa Fogel, Bank of Banks. Good to see you. Joe Jed for Sagertown, Bill from Jacksonville. We may have some rumbles of thunder on Thursday as well. So Thomas, good to see you. Robert Raim, Sharon Bird, great to have you here. Tammy, long time no see. Holy cow, the comedian. Patty, great to have you here. Angie, welcome back. Richard Guy, long time no see. Hello, Jessica. Hello, Ed from Central PA. Hello, Bill. Always good to see you. Fun Rose, are you back in Northeast? Thank you. Tis the season, or we're coming to the season, I guess. Celine, the airport queen, good to see you. Brenda Fogel, welcome back. Ashley Carolyn, welcome back. Lore, thanks for the picture. Kathy Vieira Songer, great photographer. Got to work something out with your pictures. What's the temperature going to be around 8:30? Right around freezing, probably 32, 33 in Erie. Jen Forever Young, good to see you. Michelle, welcome back. Jamie, hello. Okay, hope things are okay. Derek, it's good. We're just doing a little weather. Okay, so let me go full screen. Thanks to all of you joining. Um, Let me pick off, first of all, radar, not because there's a lot on radar, just to take my doodling off there. And what's going on here, you see a whole lot of nothing right now, all right? But what we're concerned about with, and really what the Weather Service is concerned about with, is this. All these purple counties are winter weather advisories. They have various start times, they have various quit times, but they're all involved. So whether you're in Erie, which starts at like 4 and ends at 10 in the morning, pretty much the same for Crawford County. Warren County ends a little later because weather travels west to east, and the warmer air takes longer to get there. Venango County ends at noon also. Chautauqua County ends at 1 p.m. So these are all winter weather advisories for the potential for a little bit of frozen precipitation. Now, if I put a little on here, you can see what's coming. See, right here is the deal. The air is warmer down here, Dayton, Columbus, so that's why this is green. Now, as it bumps into the colder air up here, you can start to see some pink on the radar returns, right? So if I give you the last frame here, here's some freezing rain from Kalamazoo, Toledo. It's very spotty, but you only need a little bit of this stuff to mess things up. We're only going to get a little bit of this stuff. Now, my gut feeling is that it's probably going to start around 4, 5, 6 in the morning before the rush hour. So that's the reason we're doing a little diversion here. And we're going to try to give you the fine details to work this out. All right. Now, um, let me show you some temps. Let me show you some maps, and then I want to show you the forecast, so we can all get on the same page here, and you can understand what's going on. All right. So here's the temps right now. You see the problem? All this air here is below freezing. This air here is 1 degree above. So as that precipitation works its way farther north and east, it encounters cold air at the ground. That's what makes freezing rain, kids. All right? So you got that situation there where you can get You know, the precipitation falling is liquid, and this is how it goes. You could think of this as southeast, southwest. You can think of this as northeast. There's a slash in here where you go from cold enough to make snow all the way down to warm enough to make rain all the way down. Right in here is where we're going to be for a little while tomorrow morning. In other words, it's warm enough aloft for the precipitation to fall as liquid rain, but it's below freezing at the surface, so it freezes on contact. Now, as I said, there's not going to be a lot of it, and it's not going to last long, and eventually it's going to end as a little rain, and we got a little bonus behind that. There's actually going to be some sunshine and warmer air. So all this is going to happen like you've never seen this before or heard of this happening within probably 12 hours at the most. You're going to go from an ice potential to a temperature near 60 with sunshine. That's what's going to happen tomorrow. Jennifer Lee, you know better. You lived here all your life. Of course I say snow because it's still April or it's still March and it snows in April. So here we go. This is what's happening tonight. The skies are fair out there. There are stars. It's cool. It's nice. But it's enough to drop the temperatures to freezing or below. So here comes the cloud deck about 2 in the morning, and here comes the hucklebuck. You see this? So 4, 5, 6. You got this. All right? And the pink is the freezing rain. So you can get a period of freezing rain, maybe a little wet snow at the onset, move across the area during rush hour. Main road should be treated, but again, if you got untreated surfaces, you get slip and slide, whether that is, you know, a parking lot, a sidewalk, your driveway, a back road, secondary roads. Now, the good news I can offer here, look at how it is by lunchtime. Most of the frozen precipitation is out. The green is liquid. It's very spotty. It's ending. It's like drizzle, brief shower, sprinkle. And then as I push past lunchtime, watch this. All of a sudden, we get this strong wind out of the south, and we get some sunshine in here. So by 4, 5 o'clock in the afternoon with the later daylight, you could be up near 60 degrees. So that's what happens tomorrow between like 6 in the morning and 6 in the evening. So you're going in that direction. And that's kind of nice. I know, Michelle, it's tough, you know. March, April. What can you do? I could suggest a few things, but I won't. So tomorrow, second half of the day turns out great. Tomorrow night, it's really warm in the 50s. Thursday, it's really warm in the 60s again, and you might even get a thunderstorm. You don't know, don't have a definite on that, but it's what happens after Thursday that Michelle and a lot of you like Jen Beatty will not like, because it gets cold again on Friday. So yes, and the S word will be re-invoked on Friday. Not like what just happened. The air isn't cold enough to make it that cold or that snowy. But you can see the whole process here. Here comes the freezing rain again. Falling on my head. No, that's not what she said. Anyway, 6 o'clock in the morning, we go to lunchtime. The warm front comes through. We go into the afternoon. The precip ends. The winds get southerly. It warms up. It stays warm tomorrow night. We get more showers on Thursday, maybe a rumble of thunder. It's well into the 60s. And then there is Friday, more hucklebuck, but not as bad as what we just went through. The good news is that once this little wave passes through on Friday with its rain and snow showers, there comes the warm air back again, and the weekend improves. So wanted to get that to you, okay? Don't have a lot of time tonight, want to make it count. So what happens tonight, you get this stuff towards morning, a late mix, temperatures dip initially, and then they rise towards morning, and they keep rising tomorrow. And that's good news because early mix goes to PM, sun, and warmth. And we're forecasting 57 to 62. So all you got to do is get through the morning. And by 8 o'clock, it could be liquid rain in Erie. It's probably more 10, 11 o'clock, Edinburgh, Meadville, Warren, that it goes to just some drizzle or just quits. So I want to throw in a 7-day there for you guys. Thank you, Michelle. I really appreciate that. That's really nice of you. Teresa, clear as icy drizzle. Very nice. Um, let's see. I'm just going back. Don't like to miss everyone. Tammy doesn't like the mud season, so maybe we should issue a paw alert for pets, right? Because, you know, they get kind of cold feet in the snow and then muddy in the rain and the melt, and then they come in. April of 1980. I was not here yet. I will have to look that up. I love historical weather. Yes, I know that feeling about 1980 and that kind of age thing. All right, so there's your 7-day. Let me join you for a minute or two, just because I can, and you guys get the idea. Yeah, April Fool's Friday. Hello, some rain and snow showers. All right, Adam Ripley from Waterford. Good to see you. Karen D, good to see you. Anything else that I could clarify for you? Weird weather tomorrow morning and afternoon. Absolutely correct, Joe Jen. Yeah. Yep, we do that. Carolyn North Warren, thanks for being here. I got that, Jennifer Lee. I got to send you a form so we do everything correctly. All right, Queen. You're not there tonight. I can't catch it all. I'm old. You know, I was like 19 in 1980. So I know what Pam's talking about. By now, well, they announced it on the air on Friday. So you know what bridge I crossed on Friday. Oh, my gosh. Lisa, good to see you. April Fool's Day. Don't take your snow tires off. I told Jen Mobilia that, but she did not listen to me.
What?
You and your tires.
Oh, you're never going to let me live that down, are you?
So, yeah, it's okay.
I don't treat you like that.
I just call them as I see them. You diss me on Facebook.
I get it.
Yeah, I know the way you roll. All right. That's the debate. She was going to take her snow tires off last week. I told her not to. Live and learn. All right. Anything else? Thank you, Brian. That's very nice. It is good to be here with you guys. Alistair from Saskatchewan, good to see you. See, Adam Ripley's got 23 degrees, so you start, even if that goes up to like 29 by the time the precip hits, it freezes when it gets down. Front wheel drive does help in the snow. All right, well, you guys be careful, please. Thank you, Brenda. Linda, long time no see. Good to see you. I swear by BlizzX. I swear by BlizzX. So there is that. I've never gotten a flat. So there is that. I wear my coat and hat. So there is that. I'm going to make a rap about so there is that. All right, gotta go. The princess has entered the studio. That means time's winding down. Yeah, I usually don't do that until tax day. So that's my recommendation, if any of you care. All right. Thanks a lot. We'll be back here after midnight and towards 1 o'clock with more information. But you guys know the drill. You've done this before, and we'll do it again. All right. Thank you. All right. Yeah, I shall try to do that, but they probably won't get there till later. So I'll end up using them tomorrow because you know how we are about copyrighted stuff. Good question. There could be a few of those. I don't make that decision. Sorry. I have no power. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good evening. Have a good night. Be safe, be warm, be healthy, and we'll see you on down the line. Take care, everybody.